Now start Advanced Math class 10, exercise 2.4, question number 1, A, B, C and D. Determine the amplitude of each of the following complex numbers. Number A, minus 1 plus I. Number B, 1 by 1 plus I. Number C, I by 1 plus I. Number D, I minus root 3. Now solution A. Okay, given that minus 1 plus I. So you have to write minus 1 comma 1. Therefore this point lie on the second quadrant. On the complex plan. Okay, so therefore you have to write tan theta equals to b by a, that means 1 by minus 1, so equals to minus 1. Now you have to write, you can see this organ plan. Okay, this one first quadrant, then plus plus, this one second quadrant, then minus plus, this one third quadrant, then minus minus, and this one fourth quadrant, then plus minus. Okay, now second quadrant, you can see this point lie on the second quadrant, so you have to write pi by 2 less than theta less than pi. Okay, now you have to write tan theta equals to minus tan pi by 4. Okay, since tan 45 degree equals to 1. Okay, now you have to write tan theta equals to tan pi minus pi by 4. Since we know minus tan theta equals to, we have to write tan 180 minus theta. Okay, now this tan will be cut, so what happen, you can see theta equals to, you take LCM 4, so 4 pi minus pi, then theta equals to, we get how much, you can see thrice pi by 4 we got. Okay, therefore hence the amplitude of minus 1 plus I is thrice pi by 4. This one answer. Okay, now we have to find question number B. So question number B, 1 by 1 plus I. Now you do rationalist, so you have to write 1 minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Now you can see, so 1 minus I, denominator become 1 square minus I square. Okay, so 1 minus I, 1 plus 1, so what happened, 1 minus I by 2. Now you have to write 1 by 2 minus I of 1 by 2. Again you have to write 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Okay, this point lie on the fourth quadrant of on the complex plan. Okay, now you have to write tan theta equals to minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 by, so half. Okay, minus half by half, so what happened, you can see, so 1 minus 1. Okay, since this point lie on the fourth quadrant, so you have to write minus pi by 2 less than theta less than 0. Okay, therefore you have to write tan theta equals to minus tan pi by 4 since tan 45 equals to 1. Okay, now cut this one. Okay, so what happened? Theta equals to minus pi by 4. Okay, therefore the amplitude of 1 by 1 plus I is minus pi by 4. Okay, this one answer. Now we have to find question number C. Okay, so question number C, given that I by 1 plus I. Now you do rationalize. So I of 1 minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So what happened? Multiple these two. So I minus I square. So you have to write denominator 1 square minus I square. So you can see here a plus b into a minus b. So you can write a square minus b square. So what happened? I plus 1, 1 plus 1. So you have to write 1 plus I, then denominator become 2. Okay. Now you have to write 1 by 2 plus I of 1 by 2. So what happened? You have to write 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay. Now this point lie on the first quadrant. First quadrant. Okay. On the complex plan. Okay. Therefore, you have to write tan theta equals to half by half equals to 1. Okay. So this one lie on the first quadrant. So you have to write 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Okay. Now you can say you have to write tan theta equals to tan pi by 4 since tan 45 equals to 1. Okay, so this tan will be cut. Then you got theta equals to pi by 4. Okay, hence the amplitude of I by 1 plus I is pi by 4. Okay, this one answer. Again, we have to find question number D. Okay, so question number D. Given that I minus root 3, you have to write minus root 3 plus I. Again, you have to write minus root 3 comma 1. This point lie on the second quadrant. Second quadrant. On the complex plan. Sorry, complex plan. Okay. Therefore, you have to write tan theta equals to 1 by root minus root 3. So now you can see this point lie on the second quadrant. So you have to write pi by 2 less than theta less than pi. Okay. So you have to write tan theta equals to minus tan pi by 6 since tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. Okay. Now you have to write tan theta equals to tan pi minus pi by 6 since tan minus tan theta equals to, we can write tan 180 minus theta. Okay. So this tan will be cut. Then theta equals to, you take common, LCM 6. Then 6 pi minus pi. So theta equals to 5 pi by 6. Hence, the amplitude of I minus root 3 is 5 pi by 6. Okay, this one answer. Subscribe my channel, so I will meet you next video.